Toy!
Woody and me, who will win? Woody, Mr. Potato Head, Rex, Bullseye, Jessie, Buzz Lightyear, Forky, Slinky Dog. Alien, what's your favorite toys? Wow, Lily had new toys, Lily's pet.
Who goes there? Whoa, whoa, whoa! I come in peace? Buzz, no!
Nice poncho.
Gonna need backup. No way. Mission up.
And he still needs us. Come on, Bullseye.
Oh, thank you.
Hi there, I'm Lilypad. Trying to get Bonnie
Our
make
first dance, honey.
Oh, this concerns me ethically.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Bye bye.